Hey Divine Collective, I wanted to get this download out real quick as it was fresh on my mind. Again, we're picking up on the sacral chakra. What's a chakra? Chakra experience, okay? I'm taking all of you on that experience with me. And as I was sitting here at Divine Collective, I started to think about, the things that I've experienced in my life, the challenges. One of them being, my drug addiction, my opiate addiction. That popped up in my head as I was sitting here. And I started to think about who I was when I was actively in active addiction, Divine Collective. Sorry about that. And I remember that, I remember that version of that woman, right? And I'm thinking about the things that she did, she being me, right? And the way her mind worked. I'm going back, Spirit is allowing me to go back to that time to think about how my mind was operating in as an addict, Divine Collective. And it's like Spirit is allowing me to see how the bad decisions I was making, Divine Collective, in that low vibration, how it's very easy to convince yourself that what you're doing is okay, if that makes any sense. Now, I keep going back to that version of me and this version of me now, Divine Collective, and it hit me. It hit me, Divine Collective, how at my core, because I know who I am now, right? Before I allowed the world to tell me who I was, because for one, I had no recollection. It was like my entire memory was wiped. And for two, that's just how we're conditioned, I feel. So I never knew who I was at my core until I awakened. So putting that into perspective and then looking at the addicted version of me, okay, that version of me, Divine Collective, I see how that is not who I am at my core. And then that led me to thinking like about spell work, Divine Collective, and how people use that spell work on very spiritually gifted, highly spiritually ranked individuals such as myself our entire lives to keep us from awakening, Divine Collective, or keep us from remembering who we are at our core, right? Because when I'm looking at who I was in that active addiction, Divine Collective, and who I've always been, but the world kind of siphons that from you, it just doesn't match up, and you start to see how spell work plays a big part in every different version of our lives, if that makes any sense to you. Because when you remember who you are, you start to think to yourself like how you could never make those type of decisions, right? Where you're lying, you're cheating, you're scamming, you're just a very low vibrational energy. So that spell work, I feel, plays a lot into those versions of us, Divine Collective, and in keeping us from awakening, okay? If that makes any sense whatsoever. But yeah, I'm just sitting here thinking, and it's so beautiful because I know me now. I know the me, that the parts of me that the world didn't have to tell me who I was, Divine Collective. I woke up to who I was, right? So that's me believing and knowing that I know who I am at my core. I'm caring, I'm loving, I'm kind, I'm nurturing, I'm creative, I'm amazing, I'm beautiful, I'm wonderful. We all are. So you start to think, what was I thinking? That opens up a whole new realm of thoughts, Divine Collective. And you start to see how we've been sought out since birth. But yet here we are. We made it. Peace, love, and light.